In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the file can't be found pop-up when you first turn on your MacBook. So there's a couple different things you can do to fix this issue. So stick around because one of these solutions could fix your issue. So the first thing I recommend is the obvious one. Go to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, click on it and restart your device. The next thing you want to try is go into your system settings, type in the search bar login and click this top one here, login items and extensions. So in this list here you may have an app which you've deleted but it's still trying to run the program. So what you need to do is just click on the item and just press the minus button here to remove it. So I personally had this issue, and what I had to do is go into this screen here and just scroll down. And as you can see under Logi Options Plus, I have two versions of this downloaded on my MacBook, and at some point I've deleted one and maybe not fully deleted it, and there's still some files left on the Mac and it is still trying to open it through those files, which obviously it can't, therefore giving me this pop-up whenever I start my MacBook up. So what you can do is either just toggle it off like I have, or you can go into your Finder settings and fully erase any file that's associated to that app. The next thing you can try is resetting your startup disk. To do this, you need to go back into your settings, go to General, scroll down to Startup Disk and press Restart. And once you restart it, you should be good. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if this helped.